In this video, we will review the cover plate drawing. Okay, so this is what you should see when you've downloaded the cover plate drawing. Our title block, name of the part is cover plate, part number BP-7C, material brass casting, order number 4-76, number required is 2. We have 2 main views. So let's imagine this is laying flat on the table. So let's say this is the front view and this is the top view. So the plate is 5/16 of an inch thick. We would have to do some calculations to figure out how wide it is, and would have to do some calculations to figure out how tall it was. When you're doing these calculations for your questions on your worksheet, let's do A together, and then you'll get an idea of how to complete the rest of them. So for A, we know that from the middle of this hole to the middle of this hole is 2.5 inches. We're going to say these are all in inches. We know that from the center of this hole to the edge of the part is 3/4 of an inch, because that's our radius. So from the center to the edge of the circle, all the way around here, so from here all the way to here, any of those points would be 3/4 of an inch. So we have 2.5 inches, and we have 3/4 of an inch. Then, so we know from here to here and here to here, but we still need this little bit. So we have a note here. This note just means that there are 3 holes, and they each have a 1/2 inch diameter. So we still don't know the distance from here to here. But if we look at this note on this end, we have from the center of that hole to the edge of the circle is 5/8 of an inch. So that means that from here to here is 5/8 of an inch. It's typical 2 places, so here to here is 5/8 of an inch as well. So to get dimension A, you would add 5/8 of an inch, 2.5 inches, and 3/4 of an inch. So to get dimension B, you're going to have to work with the same type of adding of dimensions. Some of the other questions, you're going to have to identify line types, and you're going to have to give radius and diameter dimensions and fill in the other missing dimensions. So you can go ahead and complete the questions in your workbook. That concludes our video review of the cover plate drawing.